Namaste guys, namaste. Welcome to my channel Pallavi's Paradise.
And so friends, today we are here for our another recipe, that is leftover poha recipe. And here is our leftover poha. I am inserted in a mixer jar and make a fine paste of it, guys. And so here is our leftover poha, that is we have grind it from the mixer. So let's transfer it to the mixing bowl. And then after we are going to add this ginger garlic paste in it, and just we will keep it aside. And here I have taken this beetroot and onion and inserted into the chopper and chopped it very well, guys. And later we are going to add that chopped beetroot and onion in the leftover poha. And then we will add the 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt add as per your taste, guys. So here I have added half tablespoon of salt. Already salt is there in this poha, so don't add more salt. Just add it chopped coriander, and then half tablespoon of chaat masala. Add cumin powder half tablespoon, and then add coriander powder half tablespoon, and then add chopped green chili, half green chili, chopped it and inserted in it. And then we are going to add 3 tablespoon of besan, and then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of rice flour here. And so here we need to mix these all the ingredients with the leftover poha. Please don't add any water or anything. We just need to keep mixing it, and it will turn into the dough form. And here you can see it, how it is turned in the dough form, guys. Give any shape of to fry it. So here I have made the roll shape. You can see it, all the rolls I have done. And then insert these all the rolls in the heated oil and let fry it with a medium low flame. And if you want to coat this with a corn slurry and the rava, so you can make a paste of corn with the water and just sprinkle some suji on it. Then deep fry this roll. If you want to give a more look to the roll, so that is also good option. I was in bit hurry, so I made like this, but this taste yum and very nice, guys. Let's try this recipe and let me know in the comment box. Here you can see the rolls I have made it. So guys, subscribe, like and share to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.